Imagine a lake. Not just any lake, but one that defies expectations. This lake is not blue, not green, but a vibrant, shocking pink. This is Lake Hillier, nestled on Middle Island in Western Australia. It's a sight that seems straight out of a dream, a natural wonder that captivates all who lay eyes upon it. What creates this unusual spectacle? Why is this lake so vividly pink? These are the questions that have intrigued explorers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. In this series, we will journey to this remarkable destination. We will uncover the secrets behind Lake Hillier's extraordinary color. We'll delve into the science, the history, and the delicate ecosystem that thrives in this unique environment. Join us as we explore the wonders of Lake Hillier, a place where nature's palette surprises us and reminds us of the extraordinary beauty of our planet. This is Travel with Glen, and I am Glen. Our adventure begins with the tale of Matthew Flinders, the explorer who stumbled upon this pink marvel in 1802. His discovery marked the beginning of our fascination with Lake Hillier. We'll trace his steps and learn how his findings ignited curiosity across the globe. Then, we'll dive into the heart of the matter, the science behind the pink. Prepare to meet Dunaliella salina, a microscopic algae that holds the key to Lake Hillier's vibrant hue. We'll uncover the secrets of this tiny organism and its remarkable adaptation to the lake's unique environment. But our exploration won't stop there. We'll venture beyond the lake's edge to discover the surrounding ecosystem, a delicate balance of life that has adapted to this unusual environment. From the towering eucalyptus trees to the diverse bird life, we'll uncover the intricate web of life that thrives in the presence of this pink marvel. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we embark on this 15-part adventure to Lake Hillier, a destination where science meets splendor and nature's artistry takes center stage. Our story begins in the early 19th century, a time of exploration and discovery. The seas were vast and unknown, beckoning adventurers. Captain Matthew Flinders, a British navigator, embarked on a journey to chart New Holland. His mission was to map the southern continent, expanding the understanding of this territory. Flinders' journal, a meticulous record, becomes our guide as we retrace his steps. At about 2 miles from the mainland, Flinders wrote, "There is an island about 1.5 miles in length, the south end of which is a naked rock. This island, later named Middle Island, held a secret that would soon capture Flinders' attention. Flinders decided to scale the highest peak on Middle Island, a peak that now bears his name. From this vantage point, the Southern Ocean stretched out before him, but it was something closer to shore that truly captivated his attention. Flinders spotted a curious sight, a lake with a vibrant pink color. He would later name it Lake Hillier. Upon reaching the lake's edge, Flinders noted its salinity, describing it as so saturated with salt that sufficient quantities were gathered from the shores of the lagoon to load a ship. But the question of the lake's extraordinary color remained a mystery. Why was this body of water so vividly pink, so different from any other lake Flinders had ever encountered? Flinders collected samples of the pink water, carefully preserving them for analysis back in England. This initial discovery, however, was only the first step in a much larger exploration, one that continues to captivate and inspire us today. To understand the mystery of Lake Hillier's pink hue, we must shift our focus from the grand scale of explorers and maps to the microscopic world, a realm teeming with life too small to see with the naked eye. Here, in this hidden universe, lies the answer to our pink puzzle. It's within the lake's salty depths that a remarkable organism thrives, an organism that holds the key to Lake Hillier's extraordinary color. This tiny protagonist of our story is a type of microalgae known as Dunaliella salina. Don't let its size fool you. This single-celled organism is a master of adaptation, thriving in environments that would spell doom for most other life forms. Lake Hillier, with its high salt concentration, presents a formidable challenge. Yet Dunaliella salina flourishes here, transforming the lake into a sea of pink.
Within the cells of Dunaliella salina, a transformation takes place, triggered by intense sunlight. The algae produce carotenoids, pigments that give carrots and tomatoes their vibrant colors. These carotenoids shield the algae from the sun's radiation. In Lake Hillier, beta-carotene dyes the water a striking pink. The result is a breathtaking spectacle, a lake with an unusual and captivating color. Lake Hillier is a prime example of how life adapts to extreme environments, explains Dr. Sarah Collins. Dunaliella salina has evolved unique mechanisms to survive high salt concentration and intense UV radiation. The production of beta-carotene is one example of its remarkable adaptability. These adaptations have potential applications in biofuel production and cosmetics. Lake Hillier is a living laboratory, showcasing the resilience of life on Earth.
Having explored the microscopic world responsible for Lake Hillier's vibrant hue, we now shift our focus to the grand stage upon which this natural wonder sits. To understand the lake's existence, we must delve into the depths of geological time, tracing back millions of years to uncover the forces that shaped this unique landscape. Lake Hillier's story is intimately entwined with the story of Middle Island itself, a sliver of land sculpted by ancient forces. Millions of years ago, long before humans walked the Earth, this region was a vastly different place. Volcanic activity sculpted the land, pushing molten rock up from the Earth's core, creating the foundation upon which Middle Island would eventually rise. Over eons, the relentless forces of erosion, driven by wind and water, slowly chipped away at the hardened lava flows. The landmass that would become Middle Island gradually emerged from the sea, a testament to the relentless power of geological processes. As the island took shape, depressions formed on its surface, creating basins that would eventually become lakes. One such basin, nestled amongst a tapestry of dunes and woodlands, would become the cradle of Lake Hillier. But the transformation from a simple depression to a pink-hued lake required a unique set of geological circumstances. To understand Lake Hillier's geological history, we turn to Dr. Emily Carter, a geologist specializing in the region's unique formations. Lake Hillier is shaped by powerful, unseen forces. Landscapes are constantly evolving, sculpted over time. Dr. Carter notes Lake Hillier's delicate balance, maintained by geological and climatic factors. The lake's salinity fluctuates with rainfall and evaporation. These natural fluctuations highlight the ecosystem's vulnerability. Understanding these interactions is crucial for protection.
Having explored the scientific marvels that paint Lake Hillier pink, we now turn our attention to the life that thrives in this unique environment. Middle Island is an island sanctuary, a haven for diverse flora and fauna. A symphony of greens and browns contrasts the vibrant pink lake. Towering eucalyptus trees stand as sentinels, their deep roots anchoring them. Beneath them, the paperbark tree thrives, its bark peeling like sheets of paper. The paperbark forest provides shelter and sustenance to various creatures. A testament to the power of adaptation, life finds a way in unexpected places. A symphony of life. The woodlands of Middle Island are alive with birdsong. Honey-eaters flit amongst the eucalyptus blossoms, seeking nectar. Parrots feast on seeds and fruits, their calls echoing through the trees. Seabirds nest in the safety of the woodlands, their cries a reminder of the ocean. Small mammals scurry in search of food and shelter. Lizards bask on rocks, absorbing the warmth. Snakes glide silently through the undergrowth, balancing predator and prey. Life on Middle Island is finely tuned to environmental challenges. The creatures have adapted to scarce fresh water, salty air, and limited food. They are a testament to nature's resilience.
A world of extremes, Lake Hillier's pink hue is a clue to its extreme environment. It's a hypersaline lake with salt concentrations far exceeding seawater. Only a select group of organisms, extremophiles, can survive here. These organisms thrive in conditions lethal to most life. Imagine water that sustains life but can dehydrate you instantly. This is the reality for Lake Hillier's inhabitants. The high salt content creates strong osmotic pressure, pulling water out of cells. Yet, life finds a way. Lake Hillier teems with microscopic extremophiles, each uniquely adapted. These organisms form the foundation of the food web, maintaining the lake's unique characteristics. Adapting to salt, organisms in hypersaline environments must maintain osmotic balance. Extremophiles have evolved remarkable adaptations. Halophiles accumulate high concentrations of salts within their cells. This balances osmotic pressure, preventing water loss. Others produce organic compounds like glycerol to regulate water movement. These adaptations have potential applications in various fields. Understanding halophiles could lead to crops that grow in saline soils. This addresses the growing problem of soil salinization in agriculture. The hidden network. Lake Hillier's pink hue suggests limited life, but the reality is complex. A hidden network of interactions connects the lake's inhabitants. Microscopic extremophiles form the base of the food web. Small invertebrates graze on these microorganisms. These invertebrates become food for larger creatures, like birds. This web of life highlights the interconnectedness of ecosystems. Each species' survival depends on the well-being of others.
Sentinels of change. Extremophiles are valuable indicators of environmental change. They respond to fluctuations in salinity, temperature, and nutrients. Monitoring these organisms helps track climate change impacts. Understanding their responses aids in developing protection strategies. Lake Hillier's beauty underscores the importance of protecting extreme environments. These environments provide insights into life's resilience and adaptability. A fragile paradise. Lake Hillier's beauty and unique ecosystem face growing challenges. Human activities threaten the delicate balance of this natural wonder. Conservation efforts reveal a story of dedication and collaboration. Tourism brings economic benefits but also risks pollution and habitat disturbance. The Western Australian government designated Lake Hillier as a nature reserve. This provides a legal framework for protecting the ecosystem. The designation recognizes the area's ecological significance. Guidelines manage human activities to minimize their impact. Protecting Lake Hillier requires collaboration. The DBCA manages the Richerche Archipelago Nature Reserve. They conserve biodiversity and ensure sustainable resource use. Scientists monitor the ecosystem's health, tracking changes. Their research informs management decisions and identifies threats. Local communities contribute with their deep understanding of the region. They share knowledge and participate in monitoring programs. The tourism industry implements guidelines for responsible practices. These guidelines minimize environmental impact. They include access restrictions, waste management, and educational initiatives. Despite efforts, challenges remain. Climate change threatens Lake Hillier's future. Rising sea levels and changes in rainfall could impact the lake's balance. Ongoing research and monitoring are needed to understand these impacts. Scientists model potential climate change effects on the ecosystem. This information helps develop adaptive management strategies. Lake Hillier's conservation highlights the interconnectedness of ecosystems. Our choices today will determine the fate of natural wonders. We conclude with hope and urgency. Hope from the dedication to protect this paradise. Urgency from the real challenges and high stakes. Lake Hillier's future depends on our choices and actions. Conservation is a shared responsibility, not just for governments or scientists. Supporting sustainable tourism and reducing our footprint helps. We can ensure Lake Hillier continues to inspire future generations.
Lake Hillier has captivated imaginations since its discovery. For Aboriginal people, the lake holds special cultural significance. The Weirdi people see Lake Hillier as a place of deep spiritual resonance. Their stories tell of the lake's creation and its connection to the spirit world. These narratives provide a unique perspective beyond scientific explanations. The Weirdi view all living things as interconnected and imbued with spirits. Lake Hillier is seen as a manifestation of powerful natural forces. The lake's unique characteristics hold a special place in their belief system. These stories highlight the Weirdi's deep respect for the natural world. One legend tells of a spirit with healing powers in the lake. People sought the spirit's guidance, offering gifts and prayers. The pink hue reflects the spirit's love and compassion. Another legend tells of a great battle staining the lake's waters crimson. The color faded to the pink we see today. These legends provide insights into the Weirdi people's cultural values. They highlight respect for the natural world and interconnectedness of life. Storytelling transmits knowledge, values, and cultural identity. The legends speak to the enduring power of the land. They remind us of the conflicts that shaped human history.
Our journey to Lake Hillier leaves us with wonder and appreciation. We've uncovered the secrets behind the lake's pink hue. We've explored the delicate ecosystem and cultural beliefs. Lake Hillier defies logic and challenges our understanding. It's a place where science and wonder intertwine. The lake symbolizes resilience and the interconnectedness of life. Every organism plays a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem's balance. The balance is fragile, threatened by climate change and human activities. The future of Lake Hillier rests in our hands. We must understand, appreciate, and protect the delicate web of life. Embrace sustainable practices and reduce our environmental footprint. Lake Hillier is a call to action, a reminder of our connection to nature. Our mission is simple: learn, understand, and preserve our wonderful home we call planet Earth. Let's protect its beauty and diversity for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Lake Hillier.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure a memory we keep. Join the journey, share the thrill. Every video brings a new chill.